Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Subscribe to this channel
my dear people, don't bother
press
yourself.
like. When you subscribe, you'll be
Does
able
that have
to
me
get
do so and so?
notifications
What
each
is
time
your
we
problem
post,
as human?
okay?
No, that
Love you
would be
guys.
Has Atiku not been holding meeting with governors of APC? Ask him. As he's in Dubai, don't you know what's going on? So, why do you bother about us? G5 that you say you can win without us. Leave us, alone.
Since your mama born them, never sabi. So, since your papa born them, never sabi. Since your mama born them, never sabi.
Leave me alone. Leave Sheima Kende alone. Leave Autumn alone. Leave Ibazu alone. Leave Ugwanyi alone. Focus on your problems. They'll be circulating on Arise Television. One of those contesting election. The Wike said, I'm a party man, whoever wins, I will support. I did not deny that. I didn't deny that. It's part of the shortcomings of that primary election. I still say, look, I will not do anything. I won't go to court. You fulfilled the one you said. That if a presidential candidate comes from this zone, I will resign. Not so. Now the presidential candidate has come. You don't want to fulfill. They want me stupidly to continue. Is that proper? Is that proper? And when you see members of the presidential council, some of them are professional beggars. There's some of them call themselves spokespersons. One of them stupidly said, oh, Wike should know that PDP has fought for him. What do you mean by PDP? This is one of those who said in 2015, he's one of those who claim I'm a very good journalist. We are those who supported Abiola. He was one of those who made sure there's nothing bad. He didn't talk about PDP. He said he was running for presidency. His state didn't even give him one vote. He has become a spokesperson. I have never left PDP since 1998. I have never. Even when they came to destroy PDP, I remained to save PDP. So how can this kind of characters come and tell me that I should not destroy PDP? The PDP you destroyed. Since 1998 till now, I've never left this party. So who is to speak for PDP? Who is to speak for PDP? Is it all these dead woods? They will come to your state today, they will beg you, they stay with you for 2 months. You are the best. You are the best. Later they go back and do a different thing. People should be honorable in their life. I will leave them for that one. When I go to Ahuda tomorrow, I'll tell you more. Secondly said, I was abusing Buhari. Today I'm praising Buhari. You see, lack of knowledge, ignorance. I have never abused Buhari one day, but I have criticized Buhari's government. I'm not here to go there in the night. I've never been there since I came. In fact, since 2017, I've not been to Vida. I have criticized Buhari's government. I have challenged Buhari's government in court. But I have never abused Buhari as a person. So people must distinguish abusing Buhari and challenging Buhari's policies of his government. My business is not to say yes, no. But I won't, because I challenge the policies and where he has helped my state to get money to improve on the lives of the people. As you said, no, he did not do so. Second, if that's what is paying you, it's your business. You can go and hug a transformer. I mean, how can you say I have been insulting Buhari? I've never. I've said it. Insulting Buhari is like insulting my father. But that does not mean that Buhari, as the president of Nigeria, his policies are not good. I will close my mouth. No, I will not do that.